Righteous holy Lord, and offer to Him worldly things I do not need, and hope is missed. For He wants me to give a heart that's truly His, an offering of highest price, a servant whom the Lord can use. I will not offer anything that costs me nothing. I'll place before Him nothing less than my very best. And if I prove the sacrifice, it will be worthy of my price. I will not offer anything that costs me nothing. To serve Him is my goal. How could I withhold? Whatever's mine He's given me, it's not my own, it's His alone. Whatever He requires, that is my desire. Whatever He may need for me, I'll pay the cost, pay no cost. I will not offer anything that cost me nothing. I'll place before Him nothing less than my very best. And if I'm called to sacrifice, it would be worthy of my Christ. I will not offer anything that cost me nothing. Di ko kayang bumalik sa Diyos na matuwid at mag-alay ng walang saysay at umasa siyang malulugod. Pagkat ang nais niya, ang buhay ko'y Kanya. Taos pusong ialay upang ako'y gamitin niya. Ihahandog sa'yo, O Diyos, ang lahat sa akin. Ang natatanging alayan ay ang buhay ko. At kung ito'y gamitin mo, sa'yo'y tanging langko. Ihahandog sa'yo, O Diyos, ang lahat sa maglingkod sa'yo, mithi ng puso ko. Ang buhay ko ay hawak mo, O Diyos, ito'y galing sa'yo. Ano man ang nais mo, ito'y susundin ko. Kahit ano